What is going on, YouTube, and welcome back to the ClearCryptos educational channel. My name is T. Haas from the Crypto Shop, and of course, you know I got my man Jay Seals with me. What's going on, brother?
What's good, everybody?
Listen, guys, we have a crazy situation going on with Shiba Inu and BitBoy Crypto. If you guys haven't heard of him, very popular YouTuber. He claims to have doxed the owner of Shiba Inu, or the developer of Shiba Inu. Now, is it FUD? Is it fact? Honestly, I don't really care. However, the interesting part is that Shytoshi has struck back. So let's take a deep dive into what Shytoshi had to say to the infamous BitBoy. Justin?
Yeah, so the entire community was eagerly awaiting the launch of the beta version of Shibarium, and its recent rollout created quite some noise in the Shiba Inu ecosystem. However, this wasn't for the best reasons. Accusations of Shibarium running on stolen code began surfacing. Amidst this, BitBoy, a prominent YouTuber, decided to reveal the identity of the network's lead developer. Shiba Inu's rise to fame was lauded by many, but several found it suspicious that the founder and lead developer of the network went by pseudonyms and their identities were unknown. However, this gained traction after Ben Armstrong, aka BitBoy, decided to dox the founder. Now, troubled by the current discussions going around on social media, Shytoshi urged BitBoy to drop the FUD. In a recent tweet, the lead developer of Shiba Inu wrote, "I sat in your live stream and you said nothing about Shiba substance, ignored me, and blew us off. Therefore, I will disengage as you are a waste of time." Whew, tough words. The tweet was sent in reaction to BitBoy's recent pledge to divulge the name of the developer during the live stream. Kusama said BitBoy ignored him and went on to label the YouTuber a waste of time. It did not end at that. Shytoshi further tweeted, "Finally, I wouldn't call it a beef. You now have a real beef to deal with. Just consider it a kind request to stop fudding." He continued by saying BitBoy now has to deal with real beef, blah, blah, blah. We just read it. And, BitBoy was also saying that he might be SBF as well, or at least have ties to SBF. It's a whole rabbit hole. If y'all haven't heard the whole situation, you should go check out his video. But I mean, yeah, I still think this is a nothing burger, and I still think that Shiba Inu is going to be just fine. But what do you think, Hobbs?
Yeah, I mean, I think for the most part, Shiba Inu would be fine. I mean, in the short term, anything that sounds like quote unquote FUD, it does what it's supposed to do. Fear, uncertainty, and doubt makes investors want to just sell their bag and move on. The guy that BitBoy says that Shytoshi actually is, he actually went on the Twitter that BitBoy went out and talked about in his video. He went on that Twitter and delivered a like 4 or 5 part thread on why he's not the actual developer of Shiba Inu. So at the end of the day, as long as Shytoshi didn't really have any quote unquote ties with FTX or SBF, and when I say ties with them, I mean knowingly was a part of the scam and basically had the Shiba Inu was the new scam or part of a coincided scam with FTX. Because just because he knew the guy doesn't mean he knew the guy when he knew about all his criminal activity, right? So that's not the same thing in my opinion. So in my opinion, BitBoy, he can dox him or he can try to dox him. I just don't know what he would be trying to accomplish other than to hurt investors. But, that being said, you guys let us know what you think in the comments down below. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Come on back over to the ClearCryptos education channel and check us out. But my name is T. Hobbs. That guy above is Jay Seals. And we'll catch you guys on the next one, man. Peace.